Hey, welcome back to the Fit to Survive channel. So today we're going to be doing another bit of a review of a knife that I just finished building. And so this is a Spydernox because it has the added Spyderco Byrd blade. The actual model, I'm not sure what you would call this because the tool set is actually unique to the customer's request. It has a bit driver, pliers, a saw, and then the knife layer. And so, I mean, if you know of a Victorinox knife with this tool set, let me know down below. I don't think I've ever seen one with this particular tool set. So anyways, it has titanium scales and a Damascus background behind the logo. And on the back we have a titanium clip. The liners are blue G10 and the tools have all been acid etched and aluminum washed. All right, so let me show you the action of the tools. All right, so there's the bit driver. It also snaps all the way open, like that. Got 90 degrees, and then closes first, and that snaps closed. There we go. Same thing, good action with the pliers. The saw. We have the bird blade and a small blade. And the back, the corkscrew, the mini screwdriver. And same thing, good action there. All right, so that's all for this knife. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. And be sure to check out my website. Thanks for watching.